Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to add an e-commerce solution to the WordPress. So let's go to plugins and click on add now. So we will be adding Woocommerce, which is an e-commerce solution for the WordPress. So let me type Woocommerce and yeah, so it will say us to activate. So I have already installed it, so it is showing me to activate, or else it will show you like this, like install now. So let me activate it now. The plugin will be activated and we will be now going to the WooCommerce wizard. Yeah, the plugin has been activated. Let's start the setup wizard for the WooCommerce. So it will be a 6-step setup wizard. So let's start with it. Now it's showing you where is your store. So my store is in India. So you can choose whatever, wherever your store is, add the address, add the currency, and let's go. Now we will be going to the next step, which is the payment. So it's a WooCommerce, so we have like 3 to 400 currencies and payments available. So it's up to you what you want. So for now I'm just enabling the PayPal and I'm proceeding next. Now it will be asking for the shipping. So for the shipping I'm just keeping it blank. Let's continue next. So now it's asking me for some recommendations. So WooCommerce have their own theme. So this is the basic theme that they provide with this plugin. So it's a storefront theme. Let me show you how the storefront looks. These are the other plugins like automated taxes and MailChimp. So I'm just skipping it and clicking on the continue. Now the theme will be added from the WooCommerce. Once it's done, we will proceed to the next step, which is activate. In this step, it will ask us for the jetpack. If you want a jetpack, you can enable it. The jetpack is a plugin that will enable us the services like statistics and social sharing. So for now, we doesn't need it. So I'm just skipping this step. And there you go. It's completed. We can add our products or import the products, or else we can just go to our website dashboard. Awesome. Now let me show you the storefront. So let me show you, this is the storefront. This is the default theme provided by the WooCommerce. This is how the storefront looks. So once the setup is completed, you will be shown something like this if you have enabled the storefront. So it is showing me that it can add a home page and add some example products. So let's go and enable it. Now it will try to create a new home page and add some products. It may take some time depending on the hosting. So yep, it's done. See, this is the website that we have set up now. Now let's change the name of the website. So this is the name. This is site identity, where we can change the title of the website. For example, this is MLM website. I am keeping the title. You can keep whatever you want. And the tagline, we can change the tagline like the way we want. For example, I am adding forced matrix MLM website, and I'm just saving it. So thank you so much for viewing this video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to enable the MLM functionality in this plugin and adding the menu. Thanks.